Back on Bryan 67 Imperial. Last time, it acted as if the ballast resistor went bad. So we had really inconsistent ignition. So I have the cap off the distributor, made sure everything's good in there. Got a new ballast resistor, or right there. Person stabbing me with the multimeter because he's being a punk. And we're gonna test for voltage first. So we've checked our voltage. We have 11.6 at the battery. We have 10.5 going into the resistor, and we have 5 coming out of the resistor. Needless to say, the Pertronix does not like 5 volts. All right, so we've charged the battery. Crank's nice and fast now, but we ain't got no spark. And I just checked for voltage. We have no power at the coil. I'm gonna go check over here where our resistor wires are. I'm gonna check for voltage there. And then we're gonna see what's going on. All right, we've cranked it, checked everything, got it here. I pulled the coil wire off, checked it for spark, nothing. So our Pertronix is dead. All right, we've swapped out our Pertronix unit, put a new one in. Soldered all our connections, of course, done it nice. Now we're gonna try it. Go ahead and hit the key. Stop, stop, stop. Jesus Christ, listen. But it was sparking. Okay, hit it. Okay, let go. Okay, hang tight. Right, we're up and running. There's got me a timing light. So we had it running, and then as soon as Carson would let go of start on the key, it shut off. So I jumpered the ballast resistor, and now she stays lit. All right, so we put the new ballast resistor on with the same thing, but put the jumper back, because everybody knows the Pertronix likes full 12 volts. Let's check the timing one more time. All right, so running pretty smooth, timed where it's supposed to be. Let me start breaking up at higher RPM. I did notice. Carson, go ahead and turn it off. I did notice that when I was changing out the Pertronix, there is a lot of up and down end play in the distributor, in the shaft. So it might actually be going up towards starting to lose contact with the Pertronix unit, you know, with the reluctor, the magnet wheel, and it starts breaking up, which would make sense as the RPM and load goes up. Because that little magnet, as it gets load, goes up and it loses contact with the sensor. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. Got an idea. Try something quick though.